Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, go into Settings. Then tap on Sound and Vibration. Scroll down and click on Shortcut to prevent ringing. You can enable or disable this option by selecting this switcher. If you decide to enable it, you can set up Vibrate by clicking on it, or disable it by tapping on Mute. Wherever you decide, when you're ready, go back and scroll all the way down. Then click on Vibration and Haptics. You can turn on or off Use Vibration and Haptics feature by clicking on this switcher. If you decide to enable it, you can swipe left or right on all of those sliders to adjust vibration intensity for incoming calls, notifications, alarms, and touch feedback. You can also click on those two switchers. Vibrate first, then ring gradually. And haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. To switch on or off those two options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!